Cleese here, and today I'm working on a Scag Super Z zero-turn mower. I'm replacing one of the drive belts on it, which is right here, and I got a SureFit 504-00880, and the Scag part number is 48285. So I'm going to show you which drive belt it is. It's this one right over here. Runs those 3 pulleys, so I'm going to replace that. Right there is the tensioner adjustment for that pulley, so I'm going to loosen that up. So before I start anything, I'm going to count how many threads are there on that adjusting bolt. Obviously I'm also going to check tension once I actually put the new belt on, but it's just a good peace of mind. So I counted about 15 threads on the inside from the pulley to the bracket. I'm going to start taking it off. So I got it loose, I'm still loosening it. Once I get it loose enough, I'll be able to put that new belt on. Okay, so I got it loosened almost all the way. And now I'm able to get the belt off. See, there's the bracket right there. And I don't see no directional on the belt. No direction arrow, so it should be good either way. I just got to pull this off the pulleys. So there's the old belt. So time to put on the new one. I got the new one on there, and you can see that it's a lot tighter than the old one, but so you're just gonna have to check tension on the belt when tightening it up. Okay, so now I got the belt on there. I'm going to start adjusting this tension. So after I've adjusted it, I didn't go exactly to where I took off or unbolted it, but the belt's going to stretch, so it's pretty tight, so we should be pretty good. So that's another Cleese Productions. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks.